Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD and gold. And what would I be looking out for going forward in this market? We've seen price come into these regions. It looks like we are looking at some bearish momentum back towards these regions here. It was strong, as you can see. We had all the way from 1.36 actually all the way to 1.33, over 300 pips move to the downside. That signals that a potential move towards the downside, but normally when we have this push, there should be a pullback. So if I should measure this from this region to down to this part, if there should be a pullback, then we can see it aligns with 61.8 retracement region with this region here. Previously had support and also a resistance towards this region. So I'll put this back. So if we get a pullback anyhow back into these regions and we get rejections, then we might continue our sales back to this point or probably below. Otherwise, we might get some rejections towards this region and still sell. So the long run is a potential movement back into these regions of 1.3250 psychological level. But let's see how price will play out anyways. Then for gold, basically we've seen how price comes back into this region. It's rejected here before, rejected, and is rejecting right now. So possibility is to possibly see price come back to 4,661. If possible, we might start selling, but if we could break back above this region, then we could go for buys. Otherwise, we might actually pull back into this region here and sell back to break these regions and maybe retest 4,350 one more time. It's going to be a week where we monitor what price really does, but basically rejecting around this region is okay, but until we see that build up, then we could buy and watch what price does around 4,665. Anyways, that's that for the outlook. Basically might expect a pullback and a continuation to the downside, or just a pure continuation in which we'll look for better entries, but I would do prefer to see price pull back at least to 1.3470 regions. That's that. I'll see you guys for recap during the weekends, and make sure you back some pips. Ciao.